In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add structure to your spreadsheet data by converting it into a table. This is a great technique to make your data more organized and easier to manage. Whether you're working with a few numbers or an entire data set, turning your data into a table can save you time and enhance your workflow. Let's dive into it. First, you want to start by opening your spreadsheet. Make sure you have it ready in front of you with the specific data you want to organize. This process is particularly useful if you already have data inputted but haven't yet formatted it as a table. Having the data in a table makes it easier to sort, filter, and perform various operations, so it's definitely worthwhile to do this early on. Once your spreadsheet is open, take a moment to locate exactly where your data is situated. Look at the range of cells that contain the information you need to be included in the table. It's important to know exactly which cells are part of this range, as accurately selecting them is crucial for the following steps. Now, with your range in mind, go ahead and click and drag your cursor to highlight the cells you want to convert into a table. This step is key because the format will be applied to whatever cells you select, so be deliberate here and ensure you haven't missed any data. Now that you've got your range of cells highlighted, take a look at the top menu bar of your spreadsheet application. This is where you'll find most of the tools you need for formatting and manipulating your data. Shift your attention to the option labeled Format. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu, revealing a variety of formatting options. Within the drop-down menu, you're looking for an option that says Convert to Table. Go ahead and select it. Upon selection, your highlighted range will immediately transform, adopting the structural elements intrinsic to a table. This means you'll notice things like the header row being distinguished, alternate row colors to make data easier to read, and controls to sort and filter data with just a click. Once your data is set as a table, you'll find it's much easier to manage. The table format makes it simple to perform tasks like sorting by column and filtering for specific entries, which can be a huge time saver. Plus, it adds to the visual appeal and readability of your spreadsheet, which can be a real benefit, especially when sharing with others. And there you have it. We've just gone through the straightforward process of converting your existing spreadsheet data into an organized table. This simple transformation can make a world of difference in how you interact with your data. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this technique makes your spreadsheet management a little bit easier.